Hi guys, today we're going to do hachapuri. For hachapuri we need rye flour. You can use organic one and you can use ordinary, okay, rye flour. Then we need brown sugar, organic or any other. Okay, we need cottage cheese 9%. We need yeast, 1 egg. We need butter, almond milk without sugar, mozzarella cheese, okay, white flour, and we need measuring cup. So let's start. This time I want to show you my SORREl baking machine. Okay, easy to make a dough and it's very comfortable and fast. So first we need to add 4 ounces of water. Then we need to add milk. Now we need to add 1 egg. One-third of salt, teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of organic sugar. One tablespoon of yeast. Two cups of rye flour. 2 cups. 30 grams of melted butter. White flour. Let me tell you about my baking machine. It's very comfortable and quickly. If you want to make a dough, just use number 6, okay, option, or you can use number 10, fast bake. Let's start. Press mini button and choose number which you want. Okay, number 10, it's fast bake. Now close the lid and push start button. You can easily check what's going on inside. It has a window. It will take 25-20 minutes. Easy. What's going on inside? So we can do hachapuri now. This time we need SORREl, white cream, mozzarella cheese and cottage cheese. We're going to mix them. The cheese. Okay. We need to put light cream inside. 1 spoon of light cream. Inside 1 spoon of light cream. Mix them. SORREl. Now mix them. 1 spoon of psyllium husk and mix. Let's begin. Need some flour. Put on your table some flour. Let's start. First we need to cut out circles. Okay, make it flat. Now fill this inside with cheese. We need to do like that. Now fold it and squeeze it. Now I want to show you how to do tiny hachapuri. You need to fill this inside with sorrel and with cheese. Here we come. We need oval shape. Now we need to fill this with cream cheese, cottage cheese. Now we need to fill this with cottage cheese. And fold on the both sides. We need shape like a boat, and then fill in the middle with cheese. Five minutes before end of cooking, we need to add mozzarella cheese inside oven. Now you need to do hole inside, put inside egg yolk and bake additionally 5 minutes. Here comes hachapuri without egg, and here with eggs inside. Put inside 1 spoon of light cream. Now you need the white dough, make flat circles, fill with chicken, inside onion, cumin, paprika and salt, and add 1 spoon of light cream, tablespoon of light cream inside. Now we're going to fry this in the tefal pan. We're almost finished. Fry on both sides and you can eat. We have fried mini pies.